Sir, you said you did not resign and that someone not from Malacanang called you on November 17 to say you had to go as ES. Sino po ang tumawag po sa inyo?
I will not disclose who that person is because I respect him and he's a very close friend of mine. No? But he was trusted with that responsibility. Sabihin sa akin na I have to go. Yun lang. When something is delivered like that, a message, I do not hesitate because it's not my going to cause a problem with me dahil pleasure ni President ako.
Opo. So, ang malinaw po ay galing po talaga sa palasyo, pero nautusan po itong kaibigan po ninyo na very close sa inyo na siya ang magsabi po sa inyo.
Yes, yun ang understanding ko.
Opo. Ito po bang inyong kaibigan, kahit hindi po natin pangalanan, ay someone close also to the President?
Well, I presume that because the message was very clear that I had to go. Ako naman, hindi naman ako linta. So, tiga, I got the message and I had no problem believing na...
Pwede po bang malaman, sir, kung ano po yung exact words? Paano po yung naging takbo ng inyo pong pag-uusap nitong kaibigan nyo po?
Huwag na nating puntahan yan kasi that's a private conversation. Ano? I don't like to give that more mileage than necessary. What is important is the message was clearly relayed to me.
What was your reaction while hearing those words po?
Ano?
Ano po ang inyong naging reaksyon?
Wala. I was not even disappointed. I was expecting that to, at least, natanggap ko yung message. Hindi ako yung tao na I would like to stay longer when there is no more welcome mat.
Nagkaroon na ho ba kayo ng pagkakataon man lang na makapag-usap po ni Pangulo about this? Magmula po nung kayo...
Yes, of course, there was already an occasion na face-to-face. And I was, alam mo, relieved ako as if there was a heavy burden lifted from my chest. I was relieved kasi nakatatlong taon na ako mahigit dito sa trabaho na ito.
Around 2 p.m., balikan ko lamang po yung mga una niyong nasabi. Around 2 p.m., the PCO announced you resigned out of delicadeza, sir. Pero sabi niyo nga po, hindi pa kayo nagsusumite ng anumang resignation letter noon. Yeah. Paano niyo po tinitignan yung hakbang na ito ng PCO?
Wala naman. That's the job of the PCO na mag-announce. Ano? Baka mayroong instruction to announce. But I just would like na... ituwid yung news na nag-resign ako out of delicadeza. Magandang pakinggan yun pero hindi naman yan ang nangyari. Okay? Kung out of delicadeza na nag-resign ako, di mayroon sanang sulat sila na lalabas. But they accepted nothing. They accepted not my resignation. Ang sulat na sinulat ko kay Presidente, pinirmahan ko lang ng towards the end of yesterday. Before I left the office to bring out my things. And that was the only time I wrote a letter. And in that letter, I did not even say I resigned. I only said that I am submitting myself to the President's discretion, to the President's prerogative. Wala naman. Hindi naman issue sa akin yan.